You see a problem like 6 plus 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, and your brain instantly wants to solve it. The question is, did you get the right answer? Or did you fall into one of the traps that catch thousands of people every single day? Pause for 1 second, lock in your final answer, and let us see if you can trust your mental math. The first and most common mistake is ignoring the hierarchy entirely. People simply charge from left to right. They see 6 plus 8, add it to get 14, then divide by 2 to land on 7, and finally multiply by 3. That path gives them 21. It feels natural, but feeling natural does not make it mathematically correct. The second mistake is more subtle and comes from people who actually remember the order of operations. They recall the acronym PEMDAS. They see M for multiplication and D for division. Because M comes before D, they believe multiplication must always be performed before division. Always. This is where their logic derails completely. They spot the multiplication by 3 at the end of the problem, and convinced that multiplication wins over division, they jump straight to 2 multiplied by 3. They multiply those two numbers first and get 6. Now their problem reads as 6 plus 8 divided by 6. They stare at 8 divided by 6, get a messy fraction that feels totally wrong, and confusion sets in. They know something is off, but they cannot figure out why their textbook rule just betrayed them. Here is the truth that shatters both mistakes at once. Multiplication and division are equals. They have the exact same rank. They share a rung on the ladder. When you have both, you do not pick multiplication first because M appears before D in the acronym. You must work from left to right. Let us apply it together. Addition is the lowest rank here, so the 6 must wait. We scan 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 from left to right. Division comes first. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Then 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12. Finally, 6 plus 12 gives us 18. Simple, clean, and logically sound. If your first instinct was 21 or that messy fraction, you have just rewired your brain. Drop your honest first answer in the comments. Then like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more puzzles that sharpen your thinking every single day.